Alright, let's talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. While nothing is official yet, the latest leaks and rumors are painting an exciting picture. DJI isn't going for a complete redesign this time, but they are making some critical improvements that could make a real difference in usability, performance, and video quality. However, with plenty of time left before its expected release, keep in mind that these are just rumors, so don't get too attached to the details just yet. First up, let's talk about size and weight. The Pocket 4 is rumored to weigh around 190 grams, which is heavier than the Pocket 3. This increase in weight comes down to two key changes: a larger 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen and a bigger battery. While the added weight might not sound ideal, the trade-offs could be worth it. The OLED display is expected to deliver 800 nits of brightness, making outdoor shooting much easier. If you've ever struggled to see your screen in bright sunlight, this is a welcome upgrade. Now, on to ergonomics. DJI is reportedly tweaking the grip texture and button layout. While this may not seem like a game changer, comfort plays a huge role when you're shooting for long periods. A better grip and an intuitive button layout mean less strain on your hands and faster adjustments while filming. Moving on to the camera and video capabilities, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 seems to be keeping the 1-inch sensor introduced with the Pocket 3. This means we can expect solid low-light performance and sharper details, but the real improvements come with the lens and video features. According to leaks, DJI is equipping the Pocket 4 with an f/2.0 aperture lens, which allows more light to hit the sensor, resulting in brighter and clearer images, especially in low-light conditions. One of the most exciting rumors is 4K at 240 frames per second, which would double the slow-motion capability compared to the Pocket 3. If true, this is a major leap for action shots and cinematic slow-motion footage. On top of that, 10-bit color depth and D-Log M HDR recording are expected, making it easier to capture a higher dynamic range and achieve more professional-looking color grading in post-production. But the improvements aren't just about resolution and frame rates. A new processor is rumored to be in the works, potentially bringing faster workflow speeds, real-time HDR previews, and overall better image processing. If DJI truly optimizes this, we could see smoother performance and quicker editing capabilities right from the device. Now, let's talk about autofocus and subject tracking. One of the biggest complaints with previous Osmo Pocket models has been autofocus performance, especially when tracking fast-moving subjects. The Pocket 4 is rumored to introduce phase detection autofocus, PDAF, with eye tracking, which should result in faster and more accurate focusing. This will be a game-changer for vloggers, action shooters, and anyone who relies on smooth, reliable focus transitions. Additionally, DJI is expected to introduce ActiveTrack 7.0, their latest subject tracking technology. If this rumor is true, we can expect better subject recognition, improved tracking speed, and enhanced stability, even in complex environments. Whether you're filming yourself while moving or tracking fast action shots, this upgrade could make the Pocket 4 feel significantly more advanced than its predecessors. On top of that, a new processor might further improve real-time tracking, focus transitions, and image stabilization, making the overall shooting experience much more seamless. Combined with the rumored improvements in image processing and HDR previews, the Pocket 4 could feel much more responsive and capable in a variety of shooting conditions. Battery life has always been a key concern for compact cameras, and it looks like DJI is making some big improvements with the Pocket 4. According to leaks, the new larger battery could push recording time up to 200 minutes, a significant jump from the Pocket 3. If true, this would make long shooting sessions much more convenient without constantly worrying about recharging. Another exciting rumor is faster charging speeds, which means even if you do run out of battery, you'll be able to get back to filming much quicker. No more long wait times, just plug it in and you're ready to go. Heat management is also reportedly being addressed. One of the common issues with small, powerful cameras is overheating, especially when shooting at high resolutions and frame rates. The Pocket 4 is said to feature improved thermal management, potentially reducing overheating issues that could interrupt your shoots. If DJI gets this right, it could mean longer recording sessions without worrying about sudden shutdowns.